Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will try to explain you how we can create the single switch on off control in Panasonic PLC. Normally, all people using the two push buttons, one for start and one for stop. But in this video, I will explain you how we can create the in just single switch on off control in Panasonic PLC. Let's get started. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. I will open my FP1 Pro tool and here we will create the project. I will make this little bigger and we will just fit our inputs and outputs. One bit we will take, for example, I will take my X0 external input where I make it on and off, just one push on and second push off. And next we will go into the variables and we have to needs the instructions. Here instructions we can find just this program we will be create by the help of counter, because of this is the very reliable function. We just type it here CTU, and when you type CTU you can find your instruction here CTU. Just only drop and drag it here, sorry not this one, delete this one, and again we will be find CTU. When you find, after you can take this command, and next one more we have to be find the command, that's the name equal. This instruction we have to be take and put it in the next window. And one more we needs the command greater than and equal. When you type here GE, so you will be find in the comparison instructions that's GE. So this also will be take it here, and now we will give the addresses. For an example, this I have to be connect with this one, and here we have to be check the output data, and here any randomly we can make this. For an example, M100 we will write any relay, and here we have to give the one data register, for example D20 I will be choose. And next here we will be compare this data, D20 when equal with 1, we will make it 1 our output on, which is we can give the Y0, because of this is our output. This is already variable defined, look as a light. And just here we also take the D20 this data, and here when greater than or equal, when this D20 with the 2, our one input variable needs to be start. For example M50 I will be create. So here this we have to be connect with this our light and just complete this command. And here this line we have to be complete with this counter, and this main we will be have to connect with the main line. And just one more we have to be button needs, which is makes the reset of our counter. This is M50 we will be choose. So this we have to be connect with this to the reset function, and this we can connect with the main. One more thing, we have to be make this X0 for the rising edge, because of if we give the normal edge, that will be giving the many pulses to the counter, and this counter after will be not works properly. Okay, let's our this is program is now almost completed, and let's just compile this program, and after we will be see what he says, two errors yani and zero warning. Which is the errors? We will be check. Yeah, this is what he says. What he says, demo body header predict interrupted. Yeah, here we not gives the value of the preset value. Yani for example, this is how much counting values we have to give. We give it here 2. So let's enter this 2 and again we will be compile. So zero error, zero warning, and just we will be download this program to the PLC and downloads references to the PLC. Let's our program is in run condition. So let's have to be check. When we push this X0 external input and as this counted will be 1, our output will be on. You can see our Y0 is now on. And as this counting will be completed 2, this will be goes to reset. So very simple method. As we give the one signal on and second signal off, on, off, on, off. And as per seen, this is external signal X0. Also any number you can make X0, X1, X2, X3. And this is only randomly relay. This is M50. This is equal, greater than or equal command which you can use. And this D20 is your data register which is sending for counting of the counter. When this counter equals with 1, output will be on. When this counter equals with 2, after it goes to reset by the M50 and our output will be off. So very simple and easy method, on, off, on, off. So hope guys you will be understand about this control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.